Hello everyone, my name is Burange Nikita and today's date is 19 September 2024 and my topic name is the object life cycle in Java. In Java, the object life cycle means the duration duration in which and the object is valid for the uh, use between the time in the it is and the instantiated or created and then released or then destroyed. Object life cycle before to the events that an object experiences including the includes and between the creation and the distribution. In the life cycle generally the includes that the memory management and the operations after and the allocations and before the allocations. In the memory allocation in Java and the objects life cycle that it is and the runtime life from the object life cycle and the creation to the distribution and marked or the determined by the various messages and it can be various messages it can be also received. In the object comes into the being when and the program is explicitly allocates and initializes its on the life and when it is and makes a copy of the another object. In the object life cycle in the Java that can be based on the idea of the objects oriented programming or the OOPS programming language. Java is a flexible and popular programming languages. Everything in the Java is and the object and objects to go and objects to grow through and many stages in their lifetime. In the order to ensure the proper resources management and the program functioning. In the Java object oriented developers in the Java developers needs to the awareness of the object life cycle. In the Java we will examine the object life cycle in Java in the depth of this post going over the each stage with the examples. First is in the creation or the instantiation of object. Second is in the instantiation. Third is in the uses and fourth is in the reference and the dereference and fifth is in the garbage collection and last is in the finalization. First is in the creation for or the creation is also called as the instantiation or the object, and then the first stage of the object life cycle is called as the generation of the instantiation. Objects are the instances of the classes in the object oriented life cycle that serves as the objects publishing their building the places to create and the object in Java uses the classes constructor following the new keywords and the instantiation after the object is informed it has to be initialized. It means that that its initial state or the value needs to be an established. Constructors and the setter methods or the getter methods are that are also and typically utilized for this. Third is in the usages. The object can be and used for the variety of the purposes and that can be after it has been and created and initialized and the object interacts with other things and it is and surrounded by the throughout this active range or this active stage of the life cycle. Fourth is and the references. In the references that can be also used to provide and the references variable related to the objects and object during the use of the phases, and the object can be a mode of the eligible for the garbage collector by the setting its on the variable to null after it is and the no longer needed. Fifth is and the garbage collection. In the garbage collection garbage collection is also an automatic memory allocation or the automatic memory management that can be also used to provide the manage the memory of the Java, and the garbage collector finds and leads to the Java garbage collector. And that's all about the memory allocation in Java. Thank you.